Hey guys, David Bender's Dryer Vent cleaning out here in a home in Seven Oaks. I won't show you the address, but in the spirit of Halloween, what I'm about to show you inside there should scare you more than anything you'll see on Halloween. Stay tuned. David Bender's Dryer Vent cleaning here. These homeowners, unfortunately, the pipe came undone, but you can see all this lint that has just been accumulating back here. So
it's like insulation, yeah. Not that bad anymore. Oh no, this should be good. Thank you. I'll pack it in there. Actually, you want to hold the camera for us? That'd be good. Thank you.
wow, that was insane. I have never seen any kind of dryer vent issue like that before. And their hose just wasn't hooked up for all these years. So anyway, that lint was blowing around everywhere. I got it all cleaned up for them, cleaned out the whole dryer vent for them, and they're gonna be up and running here. And if you need your dryer vent cleaned or any pressure washing, give me a call, 813-842-5019. And stay safe, everybody. Thank you very much.